my channel. Welcome to a new video. To all my new subscribers, welcome back. Glad to have you here and thanks for watching. Love you guys. So today I'm just coming on. I wanted to know how your day is going. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hoping you're taking time to enjoy your day. I was out, well, I wasn't out, but I was looking out, and I was just admiring and enjoying the new spring that's coming, the new season that's coming. And so I thought I'd pick up the camera, pick up you guys and see how is your day going. Hope you're enjoying the new season and all the new things that it brings, because you know we're always looking for great new things. The summer will be upon us soon, so let's enjoy the time, the present, the spring that we have now. The weather today is great. I want to say it's about 80 degrees. And it did rain earlier, but now the rain has gone away and the sun just came out. And so I'm just enjoying the weather right now. It's been a busy, busy day. It's been a busy, busy week. And you know sometimes those days can get hectic. And you can look up and it's all done. It's all done. You checked off everything. You got everything. As you can see, I have my calendar behind me, and usually I do get up in the morning and I do check my list of things to do, and then once I check my list of things to do, I try to get started with my day. I try to get started with my work. I try to get it going, get into it. And so later on, after most of the things, I'm not gonna say that I accomplished everything, because I don't. Most of the things that I try to accomplish, I usually get them done. If I don't, I add it to the list for the next time. That's all we can do, right? Yeah, that's all we can do. If you know the assignment, you know the assignment, okay? So I also wanted to show you guys these shoes that I picked up. I picked these shoes up. Pretty color, really pretty color. It's the Nobo brand, and I picked these up from Walmart. They were $12.89, and they're really comfortable. They do have some other brands, but $12.89. I want to say $12.89, close to $13. You can't really beat these. But I did need something a little more comfortable, a little more airy, somewhat flexible. But I am truly loving these in this color. It is just great. I mean, you can wear them out, or you can wear them around the house. I wear mine around the house when I'm chilling, just relaxing. But also I wanted to give you guys an update on my healthy eating. I never say diet because, well, I'm not going to say never, never, because you know how that goes. But it's really not a diet. It's just a healthy eating thing that I'm on now. When I was much younger, story time, right? Story time. When I was much younger, I felt like I had an issue with my weight, because everybody around me, relatives, cousins, they were much smaller than me. And I was considered a thick girl, you know, so I always was like, oh, I need to go down a size or two, you know. I was really not that big, but I felt like I wanted to be their size, and they were like sizes 5s and 6s and 7s and 8s. You get the picture. So I would call myself on a diet. I would call myself not eating as much. And so, but I didn't know the things that I know now. And so now that I've got a better understanding, because we all got some processing to do. We all got some time to put in to find out what's good for us and what's not good for us, right? So I've, as I come along on my journey, I just figured I'm tired of gaining, losing, up, down, uh, and around the corner with the weight. So what I did is I just started eating things that I don't consider to be a lot of fat, a lot of carbs. If it does have carbs, my alternative is portion control. I'm not gonna say I never eat a great barbecue juicy burger with all the fixings, all the cheese, because yes, I do. But I don't eat it every day, so to say. I do like portion control with those things. And so that's how I'm going with my journey. If I can, I'll try to show you guys what I looked like this time last year, if I can. I don't know if I have that footage, but I do have a video on what I eat in a day. And in that video, you'll see that I did have pancakes for breakfast, but it was portion control, and I think I had like 2 pancakes, and then I had like fruit, vegetables throughout the day. So like I say, if I can't do the low carb, so to say, keto thing, I try to just portion control it where it doesn't just take up my whole calorie count that for that day, or take up all of my carbs that day. Portion control is really my second go-to. You just gotta, I just push myself away from the table. I just say, okay, that's enough for you. Now look, you full, let's go. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been getting me pretty far. It's been a good thing. I have more energy. I've went down a size or 2. I don't know if you can see it in my face, but my face is a lot slimmer. What I did not know is that when you lose weight, you lose size in your face. You lose a little weight everywhere. So you lose weight everywhere. So that's a good thing. But the most motivating thing for me is the energy. The energy is everything. I have more energy, more get up and go, more spunk, more walking. So yeah, and I do some exercise. I'm not going to say I do exercise every day, because I don't. I will get in as much activity, so to say, as I can. So when I say activity, is considered like, okay, well, I'm gonna go out here and do some gardening or some raking, or I'm gonna go in here and do some deep cleaning, or I'm gonna go in here and do some deep dusting. Though, yes, those are activities too. Yes, they are. Yes, don't let it fool you. Those are activities too. So yeah, but that's my update on my healthy eating. And a little bit about me is that I do, if you look at some of my videos, I have what we consider 4C hair. But if you notice, I always say 4C, 4D, 4E, because to me, I feel like it's in a category all by itself. You understand? I think it's in the category all by itself. But I've dealt with this 4C, so to say, hair for a very long time. I can remember when I would go to the beautician, and she was a great beautician, believe me. She was just so on point with everything. I've always had below the shoulder hair. It just runs in my family. I've always had below the shoulder hair. And so she told me, my beautician would always let me know how to care for my hair and those things. And she, it just really excuse me, it really never held a curl. I would get it done that morning. By the end of the day, it was a no go. I mean, curls dropped some more, and then dropped all the way out. Okay, so I never, after the first 2 or 3 days, it's called ponytail time. Ponytail time. That's what I called it, because the beautician, she would do it for a day. It lasts 2 days. You can roll it up 3 days. After that is ponytail time. So I just try to keep protective styles right now under my hair. And the reason that I do wear wigs, you can check some of my videos. I do wear various wigs, different styles, different colors, because I like different styles. I like different colors. I like to change it up. I like to move it around when it comes to my hair. Right now I got this human hair wig on. It's a natural black, and I love it. It's my go-to. And so I do like to switch it up. So that's what's going on with my hair journey. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. And I do clip or dust, so to say, my ends every 6 months. I do try to take at least 1 inch or half an inch, so to say, off of my hair. But yeah, that's what's been going on, and I hope you guys are having a great and fantastic week as well. But that's what's been going on with my week. I'm going to be, you're going to see some more videos where I'm going to be doing a little decor, a little updating, so to say, makeovers, things of that nature, because it's springtime and we're looking to bring in the new season. So you got to take the old out and bring in the new one. So we're welcoming the new season in. And so with that being said, I did order some tables and some things for the bedroom, but I'm going to let you guys see all of those things soon. Not in this video, but very, very soon. So you're going to be seeing those things, and I'll continue to give you guys an update on some of my eating and everything. So let me call you guys right back. So I'm going to end the video here. I just wanted to come on and give you guys an update, a chit chat on what's been going on this week. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the channel. It helps push all the videos out, and that's what we're trying to do. So join the family. Join the Fab family over here at Pam's Vlog Vibes. See you on the next video. Bye.